Mobile Electronics Show 2017, and we're so glad to have you all here to join the product launch of Bezel-less smartphone product at Analyst Toy Show and discover the most new and innovative product from our selected supplier. And now we're so honored to invite Ruby from Shenzhen Huihua Expo Technology Company Limited. Welcome, Ruby. And today Ruby is going to present us the S1 smartphone. So let's have your time, Ruby.
Thank you. Welcome everyone to Hong Kong Global Fair. I'm Ruby. I'm sales representation from Shenzhen Huihua-Expo Technology. Our brand name is Bluebird. So welcome to visit our booth at 7M24. And we are going to introduce our new smartphone for Bezel-less. We call X1. So this is our X1 ID for trial Bezel-less with front fingerprint. Here's the available colors. So here's some introduction of our X1. You can see from here. Full display, the screen to visual body up to 90%. Helio P25 octa-core. A dual camera with Sony sensor, 16 megapixel, with the second camera, 3 megapixel. Front camera, 5 megapixel. We have two versions for the memory, 4 GB RAM and 6 GB RAM. Here's some rough specifications. So you may see from here. A sharp 5.5 Full HD display front with the Corning 4th generation glass and C86 for LTE. Front fingerprint 0.1 second to unlock the phone with Type-C port and OTG connections. Android 7.0. Here, let's talk about the display. So you will see from here, to make the maximum the screen, then we put the front button here and front camera here. So here we're introducing about the glass. We're using the Corning Gloria glass board. It provides the protections. About the flash, Helio P25. Maximum we support 6 GB RAM and 64 GB RAM. Maximum 30 flash card up to 256 GB. The GPU we support with 2.5 GHz. Now we're talking about the artwork. Front and back with 2.5D curves. So you may see from here, 2.5D. Next, we come in to talking about the camera. We're using the dual camera, 16 megapixel Sony sensor camera with front 8 megapixel camera. See from here. Red flashlight LED flash. We put dual flashlight and back cover to ensure when you're taking the picture, it gives enough light. No matter day and night you're taking picture, always is full of light. About the battery, we're using the fast charger, so 90 minutes to charge fully. battery is 3,450 million battery. So you see from here. Powerful your whole day, 3,000 million battery. When charging the phone, at least enough to stand by for 2.5 days to 3 days when full charge the phone. It supports OTG. What OTG brings us convenience, we may see from here. Instead of connected computer, the USB OTG makes it convenient. You can connect it with your camera, your MP3 player, or your mouse. It brings us more convenience and life. Built-in gyroscope. When you play in the games, it enhances the gaming and navigation performance. Here we're doing some comparisons with Mi Mix. So maybe see from here, Mi Mix, they're using 5 megapixel front camera. We're using 8 megapixel front camera. And the back camera, Mi Mix use only one camera for 16 megapixel. We use dual camera and dual flashlight, both with Sony sensor. Back camera, front camera, both Sony sensor camera. Also, one more thing that we put a 5.5-inch Full HD display. It feels much convenient and comfortable to hold on hand than Xiaomi Mix. See from here. And for X1, that we give the name X, that we put all the bezel-less in X series. For example, XA. XA is our new price model with 18:9 screen ratio, with no any buttons. So here's some roughly information for the XA. With 5.7-inch HD Plus sharp display, 3GB RAM, 32GB ROM. We have low-end version for this model with 3G, 1GB RAM, 16GB ROM for low-end versions. With 30 megapixel camera and dual camera, both with Sony sensor, from with 8 megapixel camera. 3,400 million batteries, a fingerprint and a backside and Type-C chargers. We have 2 versions available. High-end version, 3 plus 32, low-end version, 1 plus 16GB. We put the backside with the CD texture to make the phone shining like the CD. So thank you all for your coming. For more information about the bezel-less phone, welcome to visit our booth at 7M24. And we try to give you awesome gift. Thank you.
Thank you, Ruby, for your presentation.